Hi friends, today I want to discuss about one of book. The book name is You Can Win, that was written by Shiv Kehre, and this book I had well known when I am studying MBA. In my library I saw this book, and this is very good book to learn or to make our personality improvement and to develop ourselves mentally, how to motivate ourselves and how to make ourselves to be like as an having a good attitude person. And this book is very useful for the students who want to win in their life. So this You Can Win book, and the Shiv Kehre person, he wrote that winners don't do different things, they do things differently. So he introduced this book by writing that one sentence: winners don't do different things, they do things differently. I like this book very much because the word attitude, it describes so much when we saw the person. And if you want to come to one point, how he is and how he is acting like and how his behavior, we can know by watching his attitude. So this attitude means your attitude contributes to success. Every person attitude, it shows his effort to get the success. So this book You Can Win, it is discussing about the attitude, how to be. So we can see that this the word attitude is the most important word in the English language. He is saying that it applies to every sphere of life, including one's professional and personal life. We can see, can an executive be a good executive without a good attitude? Or can a student be a good student without a good attitude? Or can parents, teachers, salespersons, employers or employees be good in their roles without a good attitude? No. So attitude is compulsory if we want to be good in our roles. So in simply, he is describing attitude means the foundation of success regardless of your chosen field is attitude. For example, if you see, when we went to market or street market, we can see the person, he don't have any shop, he don't have nothing, he don't have shop board also. He just sitting on the road, on side of the road, and with one bowl or one bench, he is doing his business. So he is showing his attitude there, how to sell the product, how to get his little income. At the same time, we can observe the shopping malls, big shopping malls. They have their own attitude, how to sell the products, and they'll use it to show their fake smiles, how to grab the customer. That street side person, he don't want to grab with smile. He have the quality product, means the quality item what he have, he will sell. I am selling the correct item, I am selling the quality quantity item without making more money, means not he is using high cost, high price. He is selling what we want. For example, it's a 10 rupees item, he'll sell for at least 9 rupees also, otherwise 11 or 12. For example, if you see the shopping malls, they will apply more and more price to that product, but the roadside, the person, one small person with one small items, no shop, nothing, no outlet, but he show his attitude there. And this big shopping mall person, the salesperson, he show his attitude, but the attitude is different. But we can see that the shop person who is doing as a sale, he will show the fake smile to grab the customer. But that roadside person, he don't want to show the smile to grab the customer. He'll just explain about the product sincerely. So that is the difference between the attitude we can observe in the people. And also as a parents, we can observe our kids, how they are doing, how they do be, means how they are doing their daily activities, how they are reading, and they are improving their results or not. By observing their attitude, we can see our child is good in his attitude or not, or else how I need to improve my kid. So these things will follow, the word attitude we follow in our daily life. So the attitude is very important to every person. Example, we can see the beggar also. The beggar, he is begging by showing his attitude. By his attitude only we will show some concern to give money or not, or to offer something or not. So in each and every field we can observe their own role of attitude. So by attitude only we can say that the person is this, the person is like this. So, and also you want to get success in your life, the attitude is very important. You should struggle more, or you should behave smart, or you want to get success in your life, you should live in the present and you should build a positive attitude. So how you build a positive attitude means, the person Shiv Khera is writing like, you should not use the saddest words. What are the saddest words in our life? It might have been, I should have, I could have, I wish I had. If only I had given a little extra time. So don't use this sentence if you want to get success in your life. So first of all, according to Benjamin Franklin, he is saying that never leave till tomorrow which you can do today. So if you want to get success in your life, first of all, build a good and positive attitude and live in the present. And the third thing is, don't procrastinate. Means procrastination is the very big word, but it is a useful word. Procrastination means we will postpone our action, we'll do tomorrow, we'll do that day, this day. Like that, if we procrastinate, we can't achieve our success. So I'm sure all winners wanted to be procrastination but never got around to it. When people say I will do it one of these days, you can be sure it means none of those days. Some people keep waiting for all the lights to turn green before they want to leave the home. That will never happen because they fail even before they start. That is very sad. So stop procrastinating. Isn't it time what we putting things off? So if you want to get success in your life, first stop procrastinating. So do it. Don't waste your time until and last. Start now only and you can get the success. So many successful people, their stories that we are reading and watching, by their hard work only they are achieving their success. Not by simply sitting, not by procrastinating, not by wasting their time. So we should not procrastinate our work. Why I am saying we should build a positive attitude means, a person with a positive attitude is like a fruit of all seasons. He is always welcome. Everyone likes to talk with him. So, and also we can see the benefits of a positive attitude. Benefits for you are, makes for a pleasing personality, and it is energizing you and increases your employment of life, and your behavior inspires others around you also and helps you become a contributing member of the society and an asset to your country. For the organization, by your positive attitude, it increases productivity and solves the problems of the organization and improves the quality and increases the profits of the organization, and it will reduce the stress also, and also makes for a cool and peaceful atmosphere around you also you can build by using your positive attitude. For example, if you build a negative attitude, you can see the negative thoughts roaming on your head, on your side, on your home or in an organization. So life is an obstacle course and we become our biggest obstacle by having a negative attitude. People with negative attitudes have a hard time keeping friendships, jobs, marriages, and relationships. So because of these negative attitudes, it leads to bitterness, a purposeless life, ill health, high stress levels for themselves and others, and resentment. So because of these negative attitudes, it creates an unpleasant environment at home, at work, and become a liability to society. They pass on their negative behavior to others around them and to the future generations also. So be positive in your thoughts and in your behavior. Our attitude shows what we are and what you are doing in your life or in your organization. So you want to build a positive attitude. First of all, make yourself to be happy and make yourself to do what work means, what is your chosen field. As a parent, what is your role, what you want to do, and as a teacher, what is your role, and as a salesperson, what is your role, and as an employee, what is your role. You should fulfill that role by using this positive attitude only. So for that, this book is very useful to the every one of us to read and to learn some to gain some knowledge, and the small stories also there. So by using stories also, he explained so much. I like this book so much, and I am recommending to all students who want to get success, who want to make their attitude positive. You can go through this book, and they are explaining about importance of attitude, how to build a positive attitude, and success, and what is holding us back means, and next motivation, self-esteem, and the interpersonal skills, and how to build the positive attitude means positive personality by using some 25 steps. He explained so good in this book. So the values and vision, goal setting, everything is there. So I am recommending to all or who are watching this video, you can read out this book. You can win, and you love to read again and again also. And thank you friends, and next time I'll come up with another topic to discuss.